Assalamu alaikum. My name is Munib Zadi and I am here to present my Python course project. So this project is more like a GPT model that a chatbot. It is a chatbot that is trained on the dataset I provided. So basically, it gives me the result of the queries on the basis of the data I have. So as you can see, for example, I wrote a query that gave me the status of my devices and it returned me the status of all the devices. This data is whole data is coming from my data set, so it's extracting the data. So the technology I use is Flask, Python, and OpenAI model, plus with the combination of React is used for the front end side, and the Flask Python is used for to build its backend. Plus, we used OpenAI API to generate the responses. Then we used mapping system to map the outputs to our dataset so that we can generate more accurate result. Moreover, this model can also store the histories of chats as you can see. So this is the model I made. Jazakallah khair.